Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to change the date and time on an iPhone. It's a simple tutorial, but maybe you have some issues that we'll go over and cover within the video. So make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever during the video. So the first thing you want to do is go on your settings on your iPhone, and from there, normally you would go on General, and on the General tab, you have date and time, and if the date and time is not correct, you just need to set automatically off, and then you can change the date or the time. But maybe this area is grayed out, and here is what you need to do, and here is why I'm making this video. You want to go back until you go on your settings again, and you want to find screen time. It's basically at the top of the options. You click on screen time, and you want to go on this option, content and privacy restrictions is the last one. You click on it, and there you want to make sure it's turned off. Sometimes it will ask for a passcode, and when that's turned off, you can actually change your date and time. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.